Today I'm gonna show you a very interesting CPA method. This method promotes a survey junkie offer on Craigslist. I'm sure most of you know Craigslist. This website doesn't just offer a marketplace to sell goods, but also job offerings, which we will focus on in this method. Our goal with this method is to find people that are interested in a remote job. We will find people like this by creating a job offer. It should look something like this. Survey Junkie is one of those websites which pay people to complete surveys. CPA offers for Survey Junkie and similar websites often pay something between $2–3 for sign up. You can find offers like this at Max Bounty, MyLead, and more. Just do a search on offervault.com for Survey Junkie, and you will see right away where you can get this CPA offer. Using GetResponse, create a new email list and simple landing page that will collect emails and a first name. Make sure the landing page looks related to applying for an online position. Enable double opt-in, and after the form submission, redirect to a thank you page that says please confirm your email. Create an autoresponder and set it to respond after 24 hours, because it would feel scripted if you send the email right away. Your email should look something like this. Hi name, congratulations, you've passed all of our requirements. You can start by registering here. Your link to Survey Junkie. So, if you've done everything correctly, you should be building an email list of people interested in earning remotely and at the same time getting conversions for people that are registering for your Survey Junkie offer. Happy earnings! Like, comment, and subscribe.